Hello everyone. That's not Miracle. That's Edo. Cats have been using that wheelbarrow way before Miracle was ever born. And look at how wet where her paws were. I literally had to walk through water to get out here to the field. And there's my youngest black cat. Hello, little Noir. Goodbye, little Noir. Can't touch her, but Miracle hasn't asked to go out yet, but I just have this feeling he doesn't want to be out here. What are y'all doing? Hey there, girl. Oh, look at how sweet. Look at that. That's so precious. Hey there, girls. Hey. Hey there. Hey, kitty. Hey. I just came out here to have some alone time in the field, and the 3 girl kitties followed me. The other one's over there stalking birds. Anyway, it's nice to have a little company. It's not the same being out here with that Miracle. There they go. Where y'all going, girls? Yeah, here's the water where it's all holding water out here everywhere. Everything out here is full. Hey, hello, little girl. Hey, hey there. Okay. Anyway, everything's wet and soggy. It rained all day yesterday and beyond rain last night. It was a deluge. I mean, it poured all night. And there's more on the way. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to come outside and put on some old shoes and wade through the water. Anyway, hope you enjoyed seeing my little black kitty. Oh, there she goes. Thanks for watching.